Motorola India has been expanding its smartphone offering in India. So I'm Sharmi and I'm talking from Gizbot, and I have with me the Moto G62 5G. So this is one of the latest 5G phones which comes in the mid-range segment for smartphone buyers. Here's the unboxing and first impression of the same. So this is the Moto G62 5G, and as you can see, it comes in this typical box that you've seen on most other Moto G smartphones. So let me just begin by unboxing this device. So the first thing that we have here is the Moto G62 5G phone itself, and as you can see, Motorola has placed all these important details here, and it has also placed the back rear cover for the phone over here. Below this we have the SIM card ejector tool. You also get the product definitions and product information, as well as some of the safety regulations for the smartphone. You also get the USB Type-C charging cable, and you also get a 20-watt fast charging adapter with the Moto G62 5G. So as you can see, one of the most important features that Motorola has brought in for the G62 is the 120Hz display, the stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, and the 50 MP camera system. So looking at the design of the Moto G62 5G, you can see it's pretty typical and very similar to other Moto G smartphones. You can see the triple cameras here, and as Motorola has explained, it comes with a 50 MP primary sensor along with an LED flash. And you can see the branding and the logo of the smartphone here. Up front, let me just begin to see what the phone has to offer.
Hello Moto.
So I'll just set up the phone now. Getting the Moto G62 5G set up over here. So let me just take a look at the design of what Motorola has brought in here. So one of the first thing that you can see is the punch hole cutout where the selfie camera is placed over here, and you can also see that there is an extra grill, speaker grill placed on top. So this sort of enhances the overall stereo system that the phone claims to offer. And additionally, below here you can see that there's extra speaker grills. You can also see the USB Type-C port that comes for the charging, and you can also see the audio jack for the headphones. And additionally, on the side you can see there is the power button, and Motorola has also embedded the fingerprint sensor over here, and the volume controls are over here. So this means that the left side is almost empty except for the SIM card slot and the micro SD card slot. So I've just set up the Moto G62 here with me, and as you can see, the display is one of the key features over here. So it comes with a 120Hz refresh rate, and it seems to be pretty smooth. So I've also set up gesture controls, and let me just take a look at what else is there in this smartphone. So going here, as you can see, this smartphone comes with pretty powerful features considering it's a mid-range device. It comes with the Snapdragon 695 processor with 5G support, and it also includes 12 bands of 5G support. So with 5G incoming in India, this phone would be an ideal device for new buyers. And additionally, you can access a lot of apps, and it comes with Android 12 OS, and as you can see, it's still loading. So you can get the complete sort of stock Android experience with this Motorola phone. And apart from this, I'll be testing a lot more of what the phone has to offer in the coming articles and videos. So this was the Moto G62 5G, and as you can see, it comes with a lot of premium features including Dolby Atmos support. So we'll be posting a detailed review of the same at gizbot.com. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do check out our website gizbot.com. Thank you.